Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 20. But verily there exists higher than that unmanifest, avyakta, another unmanifest, which is eternal, which is not destroyed when all beings are destroyed.
Chapter 8, Shloka 20. Parastasmattu bhavonyo vyakto vyaktat sanatanaha yassa sarveshu bhuteshu nashyatsu na vinashyati.
Chapter 8, Shloka 20. What is that permanent stage on which the unmanifest come to play the drama of life? In the last shloka, we have seen that creation means the appearance of the unmanifest dormant names, forms and qualities into the manifest forms of existence. This creation, dissolution and recreation takes place on the eternal existence, the unmanifested, which is beyond creation. This changeless substratum is not destroyed with the changing world of names and forms. Like the blackboard in the classroom is a permanent aid used by the different teachers of science, geography, chemistry, and history to explain their subjects by writing calculations, drawing maps, scribbling equations, and ancestral trees of dynasties. Each teacher wipes clean what the earlier has written on the same blackboard, which supports them all and remains when all have left. The unmanifest vasanas are the seeds of the manifest and are called ignorance of our real nature. We cannot be ignorant of a non-existent thing. I cannot be ignorant of my tail since I do not have a tail. So ignorance can be of an existent something. This proves the existence of some positive factor called the truth. The ultimate reality, the self, is being indicated here as something beyond the delusory experience of creation, dissolution, and recreation over and over again. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.